Welcome! Glad you could join us. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a quick, easy, and delicious potato casserole. This recipe is so easy, we call it Easy Cheesy Hash Brown Casserole. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 pounds shredded hash browns, frozen, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 cups shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 can cream of chicken soup, 16 ounces of sour cream, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1 cup of French fried onions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, break up the frozen hash browns prior to adding the remaining ingredients. Add salt, pepper, chopped onion, cheddar cheese, cream of chicken soup, sour cream, and melted butter. Mix thoroughly. Put mixture into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Top the mixture with French fried onions. You can adjust the amount to your preference. Keep in mind that some brands are more salty than others. Now that the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius, we will bake the casserole uncovered for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes has passed, cover the casserole with aluminum foil to prevent the French fried onions from burning, and then bake an additional 25 to 35 minutes until hot and bubbly. Total cooking time should be between 45 to 55 minutes. Remove from the oven once done. The top of the casserole should be golden brown. This is a wonderful side dish that can go with almost any meal. It serves 6 to 8 people, and if you have extra, no worries. It is a fantastic leftover. So there you have it, Easy Cheesy Hash Brown Casserole. Go make some. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by clicking the thumbs up icon. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel. We wish you a safe day and hope you join us next time.